In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for Google Translate. By the end, you will have a scannable code that jumps straight into Google Translate in any browser. First, open your browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, or whatever you normally use. When it opens, you should see a blank tab or your usual start page with the address bar waiting at the top. Now, go to Google Translate. In the address bar, type translate.google.com, then press enter. After the page loads, you should see two main language boxes side by side, with a big area in the middle where text can be entered and translated. At this point, decide what you want your QR code to open. If you simply want the main Google Translate page, you can leave things as they are. If you want a specific language pair, choose the languages now using the drop-down lists above each box, because the link in the address bar updates to match these settings. Next, copy the website URL from the address bar. Click once inside the address bar so the whole link is highlighted. Then right-click and choose Copy, or use your usual keyboard shortcut. The link is now stored in your clipboard, ready to paste into the generator. After that, open a QR code generator website. In a new tab, search for QR code generator, then open any trusted result that lets you create a QR code for a website link. When the page appears, you should see a box or field labeled something like URL or website, along with a preview area where the QR code will appear. With that ready, paste the Google Translate link into the field on the QR generator page. Click inside the URL box, then right-click and choose Paste, or use your paste shortcut. Check that the pasted address begins with HTTPS and includes translate.google.com, so you know it is the correct Google Translate link. Now click Create QR Code. The button might say Create, Generate, or something similar, but it will be next to the URL field. After a moment, the page will refresh and you should see a square QR code image appear, usually black and white in the preview area. Finally, download the QR code image. Look for a button near the preview that says Download, Save, or Download PNG. Click it once. Your browser will either save the image to your usual Downloads folder or ask where to save it, and you now have a QR code image that opens Google Translate with the settings you chose. You have now created and saved a QR code that opens Google Translate directly from any device that scans it. If this helped you set up easier access to translations, give the video a quick thumbs up so others can find it too, and subscribe if you want more simple how-tos like this.